everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. It is July 24th. I'm here with a product review. I was given an opportunity to test this product. It is from IFSNOW. And if you're wondering, like, what is it? Well, I'm about to tell you. It's an under sink, S-I-N-K, mat. It is waterproof. It's made out of silicone. Mine is 34 by 22. And it's a dip tray. So what I mean is, you put this under your sink as you fold it totally out. Mine's huge. And you can put your products on it. And if you get a leak from your sink, it stays here. It is got this little drain hole. So you don't have, when you lift the mat up, you can drain it out the hole. Well, guess what? It's well made, silicone, sturdy, not, it's very, it doesn't stretch. It's very well made. It don't fit under my sink, guys. Yep. I took all my cleaning products out yesterday just to put this underneath my sink to see. Because I wanted to tell you what I thought about it, if it, and so far, the silicone's really well made. But it's too big for mine. My duplex underneath wasn't as big as I thought. So I was showing Scott yesterday when he saw it. He's like, what is that? So I proceeded to tell him. Scott is my husband, for any of you that don't know. And I'm like, you don't fit under the sink, baby. And I was like, woohoo, because I was going to do a video. A video of me showing it, and I was going to show you a video of it underneath. I was going to try to have Diamond, because she was going to be here, help me edit that, but she's not here. So, one video, here we go. So, I said to Scott, don't fit. Don't fit under my bathroom, it don't fit under my kitchen. Maybe if I would have ordered a smaller one, or if there are smaller ones, I would check that. I would measure, because I didn't measure. But he's like, but honey, I got an idea where you can use that. And I'm like, okay, where? I'm thinking he's going to tell me the basement. We have a sink in our basement that's open. And he goes, in front of the tub. And I'm like, what? He says, yeah, put it in front of the tub. And he says, and it can collect the water when we get out of the shower. Or when the grandkids come here. I don't know. Sometimes when my grandkids take baths here, I wonder if how so much water ends up outside the tub. So we can put this in front of the tub and the water will collect there instead of the floor. Especially now that I'm getting a new floor in my bathroom in the upcoming weeks from my landlord, my new landlord. It's a good idea. So that's what I'm going to use mine for. It doesn't say you can't, but so there's items you can buy that you can have use them for different purposes other than what they state. Like this under zinc mat, well, it's too big for my zinc for underneath. So I came up with this. Well, I didn't. Scott did for another alternative. So it is $39.99. They did have, I don't know for sure if this was just for Prime people. They had a little box where it was 15% off. So I got 15% off that. And I had it within a day because it was Prime. And I came packaged good. It was all in a plastic wrapping. I took that off, of course. The typical way it's sent. I will have the information for this linked in the description box below just in case you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So I want to thank you guys for taking the opportunity watching this video. And I don't gain anything from this. It was just an opportunity to test the product, so I ran with it. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If I had to score this one out of 4 or 5 stars, I'd give it a 4, 4.5. I am not, like I said, I'm not positive if there's different sizes from the same company. And maybe I should have checked into that, but I didn't. But here's the opportunity. Go have at it, guys. And tell me if you get one, what you think. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and always be nice to each other out there. This world is plumb crazy right now. But just say hi to somebody walking by. You may make their day. Bye, everybody, and have a good day. Thanks for watching.